back with another video today. Today I'll be unboxing the EAFC Car Jump Starter, and basically this little guy right here is going to be able to jump your car so you don't have to use jumper cables. You know how hard it is to get somebody to try to jump your car sometime. This is supposed to stop all of that. We'll be over here using this to jump our car. So let's get to the unboxing. Oh, right there. Nice little case, little handbag to hold her in there. Let's open her up. That box out of the way. Here's the power pack that you're gonna use to jump your car with. Little buttons right here. That's a power on button, says 0% out. What else does it have? Oh, that's a flashlight up here. USB-C, USB. And what's this? I'm guessing this is where you put those two connectors in so you're able to jump your car. So let's see what else we got. Charger. Definitely gonna need this. And the cables themselves. This is the cables I was talking about. These right here. All right, let's plug these in. Boop. There we go. As you can see, they're flashing red and green. It means it's plugged in. It's ready to go. So on my next video, I'm going to actually plug this up to a dead vehicle. Actually, my other pickup truck. I actually have not jumped it or started it in the past 3 weeks. So we're going to use that as a test subject to see how this really works. All right, guys. I'll see you in my next video.